Oh wow. Who dropped this? Bay kinda cute. Looks like Bay is coming home with me. I'ma put all 8 in it.
God, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
You guys are probably familiar with this creature. This is an octopus. Octopi are probably one of the most unique and just different creatures on the planet. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the octopus, obviously, and one of the most frequently asked questions about said octopus, is it an alien? I'm also going to talk about, what they do, where they come from, general octopus stuff. An octopus is a soft-bodied, 8-limbed, triple-hearted, beak-possessing mollusk in the Octopoda order. The order consists of around 300 species, and they are commonly grouped with squids and cuttlefish. Cephalopod is Greek for head, feet, which makes sense if you look at a cephalopod. They are characterized by arms or tentacles, a bilateral body plan, and ink sacs. Cephalopods evolved from mollusks in the Cambrian 530 million years ago. They first appeared as nautiloids and some kind of small squid. These two started the base for what would bring octopi. The first octopus likely lived on the sea floor in shallow marine environments. Octopi lack a hard shell that most mollusks have, getting rid of this shell around 276 million years ago. Lacking this shell has made them elusive and quite smart. Octopi have a complex nervous system and big brains relative to their body size. Each of its tentacles also has a quote-unquote mini brain that increases its dexterity and ability to successfully hunt. They also practice RNA editing, which is kind of crazy. Like, you're an animal that literally is editing your own genetic code. It's kind of crazy, guys. RNA editing is genetic altercation that fine-tunes info encoded in their genes. This allows them to survive environmental changes and adjust brain function to behave accordingly. In basic terms, if octopus was addicted to the vape, it could change its RNA code in its brain and not need the vape. RNA editing involves changing a single letter in the RNA sequence, and the octopi can simply revert it back when unnecessary. So, if you ever looked at an octopus's skin, it looks kind of cool. You can kind of see these little cells, and these little cells are called chromatophores. And these are interesting because they're thousands of specialized cells under their skin, and it helps them change color in an instant. Octopuses can change their skin to blend in with their surroundings, such as rocks, coral, and sponges. Octopuses also use this, and cuttlefish do this too, to communicate and signal to other animals their feelings or whatever. The blue-ringed octopus, one of the most poisonous ones in the world, flashes its blue rings to warn other animals to stay away from it. Now, the chromatophores do this, and they change the color by squeezing and contracting all of these chromatophores, which have pigment kind of in them. They're like sacs under the skin. And it squeezes them, and it widens them, and it makes whatever pigments visible. Now, another thing octopus and squid and a lot of other cephalopods are famous for is an ink sac. This is a muscular bag that stores and releases a dark defensive liquid, also known as ink, to confuse predators. So the octopus will kind of let out a squirt of ink, and it either blinds the predator and swims away, or, and this is kind of cool, it just makes a little dense cloud of ink that almost looks like an octopus, and said predator doesn't know which one to go after because, fish eyes are not all good. The ink is ejected through the anus along with mucus, and it just, floats in the water and confuses the predator. And now it's time for the question that you really clicked on this video for. Is the octopus an alien? No, dude, it's not, bruh. Evolution. So people think that octopuses are aliens because of their appearance, because of their intelligence. They have a lot more genes and stuff than humans, and this makes people think that they're aliens. But guys, they're not aliens. It's just, this is what millions of years of evolution look like in an organism.
It's just become overpowered at this point. They need to nerf the octopus.
Octopuses are so smart, they'll shoot bubbles at bright bulbs until they short circuit. Like, I understand why you think it's an alien, but it's not a fucking alien. That was the octopus, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Happy Christmas, Merry December. Okay, guys, see you later.